Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar. I'm going to do swatches for all of the products and the price of this one here is 59 euros and 99 cents. We are getting 25 products. Some of them are in a full size and some of them in mini size. Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to calculate together the total value of all the products. So we're going to see if it is more than what I have paid. The box is very similar to what we had last year. I'm hoping that this time we're going to have a better variety of products because last year we got a bunch of highlighters. Even if you like highlighters, they were so many last year. We have this beautiful red maroon box with the gold details like Christmas ornaments. This reminds Christmas a lot. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a makeup look using the products of this advent calendar, and also share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. Let's start with the first door. I'm very curious to see what we have in this box. I'm also very excited because I'm going to start doing more unboxing videos for advent calendars. If you want a specific one, let me know in the comments. Where is number one? It's on this side. Highlighter. No! Okay, I need maybe a pen. Oh my god. Okay, nothing broke. Ooh, I like the packaging. It is red. Very pretty. This is a baked highlighter, but I don't see the name of it, so I don't know what is the shade. Let's open. Ooh, it is a very frosty white. Let's see. Oops, I took a lot. Like always, Makeup Revolution makes some of the best drugstore highlighters. This is a little bit too white. This is number two. Lipstick, I see. The packaging looks very similar with last year's. This is the amazing lipstick in the shade... What is happening with these products? I will search after the video and I'm going to have the name here. It seems like a dark brown lipstick. Let's see. Yes, it is. And let's see a little bit the color on me. It is a very soft texture. So it has a mauvish color. I thought it was going to be more brownish. It has a shiny finish. Nice. After that we have number three. It looks like a lip pencil. It doesn't say. The shade is medium brown, so I'm guessing this is a brow pencil. Okay, we have a nice variety until now. Not a lot of highlighters. I think that it is going to work for my brows. I'm so excited. What is this? Color correcting concealer? No. This is a baking powder. I don't see the shade here, but it looks like a banana powder because it is very yellowy, like a banana. Yeah, it's very yellow. Okay, so I'm going to try it. Why not? It's very fine and it gives a mattifying finish to the skin. I wasn't expecting a powder. I started loving this advent calendar. Where is 5? Ooh, what is this? An eye primer. I think we got an eye primer also last year. Let me check. Found it! This is from last year's advent calendar and this is the new one. I'm going to keep this one for a giveaway. 6. Oh no, we have brushes again. No! I didn't like last year's brushes. They were very small, like this one here. Oh no, why? Why brushes again? I don't care that the upper part is so small, but the handle. It's so difficult to hold it and apply the product and blend it. I think they had the same brushes also 2 years ago. I'm not very sure. This one is not my favorite. 7. Ooh, a big giant gloss. This is a clear lip gloss and it is the same with last year's. This one is from the Advent Calendar of 2018 and this one says that it is the shade Clarity. They look very similar. I think they are the same product because they are clear lip glosses. I'm going to keep the new one for a giveaway. 3 out of 7 products are very similar to last year's. No, that's not good. That's not good. After that we have number 8 and it is this little opening here. No, we have another brush. This is such a small brush. I think it is for your concealer, if I remember correctly from last year's. Why? Why the same brushes? And it is so small, you know, tiny brushes for tiny people. 9 is a lipstick. We have a pink mauve shade again. Let's see. Oh, it looks darker, I think, but let's swatch a little bit. It looks very similar to the previous lipstick. Just a sec, just a sec. Okay, it is lighter, but again they are a little bit too similar. What do you think about the colors of the lipsticks? I think they are very natural. I'm guessing we are also going to have a red lipstick for Christmas. Number 10 is a mascara. I think last year we didn't have a mascara. Okay, so this is a clear brow gel. Oh, that's a very nice touch. I wish that we didn't have the brushes. I'm very curious about number 11. Oh, it's a small eyeshadow palette. We also had last year another one with different shades. Oh, this is so pretty. This is called the Mini Shadow Palette. We don't have a name for this product, so I'm thinking maybe these products were designed for the Advent Calendar and they don't have them in the regular line. No clue. I like the color story and I also like this sparkly black eyeshadow that we get, this pink, and as I can see we have only this matte eyeshadow. Maybe it can work as a crease color. Okay, this golden one, very nice. And this is with only one swipe. Next we have number 12. It is a big circle. Oh my god, no. It's a mirror again. I also have the other one. I don't use it a lot. My mirror is a little bit scratched here. On the back of the mirror we have this leopard design. It's very, very pretty. The mirror is also very clear and you can see what is happening here. 13 is a bronzer. It looks very nice. It has a matte finish. Last year we also got another bronzer that I like a lot. It was a baked bronzer. This one is just a bronzer. So we don't have a name for this one too. These are the John Doe products. Ooh, very creamy. So this one has a warmer undertone. It is going to work as a bronzer, maybe as a contouring product as well because it has a matte finish. 14 is a brush. We have a tiny angle brush. You can use it for your brows, for your eyes. If you can use this very small handle that it has, it's very small. You can give them to a child maybe and they can play with them. I'm doing something wrong. Number 15 is a pressed highlighter and let's see the color. It is a darker shade. I think it is a little bit pinkish. Yes, it's very pretty. And this one is like a gold champagne highlighter with a pink sheen. It is a very light sheen. 16. Oops. This is number 16. It is a lip gloss. It looks like a light pink mauvish color. And we have a doe foot applicator. Let's see the color. Okay, the texture is very soft and it has a nice sheen. Beautiful. Very nice color for everyday looks. This is going to look very nice for different skin tones. We have number 17 here. It is a blush. Last year we didn't have a blush. This is the pressed blusher, and as I can see, it is not a very light or dark shade. I'm thinking that it can be used for a lot of different skin tones, and it is this pretty pink blush. It has a very nice texture. It looks like a matte finish. I think it has just a little bit of sheen. I think that you can also use it with the eyeshadow palette that we get. 18. We have a lip pencil maybe. It says black, so I'm guessing it is an eye pencil. Very creamy, and we have a nice rich color. Very nice. I'm the designer. Number 19, and this is a liquid highlighter. I think we had something very similar last year too, but it was a clear highlighter with a lilac sheen. This one looks like a champagne highlighter. This one gives a wet look to the skin. The texture is a little bit silicone-y, and it has this beautiful iridescent sheen. 20 is another bronzer. This one here is a pressed contouring product, and we have 2 grams of product. It is a mini size. Let's see the color, and this one also has a warm undertone. It is not very cool tone. This one here is the bronzer. It is a little bit darker. 21, and we have another highlighter. This one is another baked highlighter. It looks like a darker shade. Let's see the color. Yeah, this one is a darker golden pinkish highlighter. It has a beautiful sheen, and it is going to work better for medium skin tones and darker. 22. I think this is called a concealer brush, and it is exactly the same brushes that we had in last year's advent calendar. This is disappointing. The ferrule, the handle and the bristles are looking very well made, but it is a very short handle. It's so unpractical to use these brushes. I have tried last year. Next we have number 23, and I'm going to say it is a lip pencil because it doesn't say on the pencil, and it is in the shade Chauffeur, and we have this mauvish brown lip color. This can work for brown lipsticks, mauvish, neutral if you want. You can also use only this one all over your lips. This is a very universal lip color that you can use with a lot of lipsticks. Ooh, it's a lip gloss. As we can see, this is a red liquid lipstick. I was not expecting a liquid lipstick in the advent calendar, but I'm happy that we have it. And let's see how the color looks. Ooh, it's a very bright red color. Very nice for Christmassy eye looks. I think I have never tried liquid lipsticks by Makeup Revolution, so I'm happy that I got this one. After that, I was holding it upside down. Here we have 25. It is big. Let's see what it is. Ooh, this palette is so beautiful. I like the red packaging, and it is a reloaded eyeshadow palette in the shade Fire. Last year we also had another reloaded palette, and it was a very nice one. It had a lot of cool toned eyeshadows. In this one we have a variety of mauvish and brown shades. We also have this beautiful pink neon corally eyeshadow. It has a matte finish. Ooh, it's pigmented. Pretty. Ooh, this one here is so pretty. I thought it wouldn't be visible. Very nice. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a specific eye look with this one. I like that we have a very light eyeshadow. Also next to that we have a darker color. The total value of all the products is almost 58 euros. It's not even 60 euros that I have paid. This is a little bit disappointing because when you buy an advent calendar, you want to get the products in a better price. However, we get 25 products, but a lot lot of them are in a mini size. Last year's advent calendar was very similar to this one and the cost was only 35 euros. This year is 60 euros, so almost double the amount of money. My least favorite products are definitely the brushes. I don't understand why we have again the same brushes. Just a second. These are the tiny brushes from last year's advent calendar. This year's, I don't get it. I also don't like that we don't have the names of the shades for each product. Is it a secret? Why? Dun dun dun! Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this advent calendar. Mine is the eyeshadow palette. I like the color story that we have. You can watch here some more unboxing videos. Some of the advent calendars of last year's are still available and on discount. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!